Hey, how's it going, guys? Rico here, aka Donald Trump Jr. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down gold. Once again, support and resistance points, price points are above the video or below. Just want to mention that I'm basically giving up sleep for you guys. I have a massive headache, and I still have to upload all the videos and actually edit the site and make sure everything's packaged and ready to go for tomorrow morning when I post about it. So any support you guys show me on my posts, like, please show support, comment that you like the videos, comment that they're helping you, comment. Okay, so please show your support for me, guys. It really does make a difference. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So let's get into it. So yeah, make sure your chart's marked up like this. These zones are, as you can see, prices reacted very well to them right here on the monthly chart in a nice reversal pattern. Literally just tapped our key zone right here, our monthly support. 1036, so we got a nice bounce right here, reversal pattern. Literally the reversal pattern closed right at the weekly resistance. So right here on the monthly, you could have taken a buy right there when you saw that reversal pattern close. So right now, the month is about to end, so we're getting a nice bearish candle, which the trend is down, guys. I know with the gold mines group and whatever's going on Facebook, everyone's trading gold now and everyone's getting onto the gold rush, like buying and buying and buying. But what they don't realize is so far it's still in a downtrend. As you can see right here, price actually made a lower high right here than this high. So this high right here is higher than this high. So it made a lower low. Yeah, it made a lower high. I'm sorry. It made a lower high. It's been making lower highs, real subtle lower highs, and then it came up, retraced, still made a lower high than this. So to me, it's not an uptrend until it breaks this previous swing high right here. Okay, so that's just my rationale. So far I'm looking for shorts, even though we got a nice pullback. I would still notice how the monthly candle is closing. We're gonna wait to see how that closes, and we could see some potential downside. Once again, our downside targets will be, depending on how the monthly candle closes. If the monthly candle closes beneath this monthly support at 1200, obviously our next target will be the weekly support, and you can do your Fibonacci and all that fun stuff to get perfect areas where price terminate. But notice here on the monthly chart that price came up right to the weekly resistance, closed above on the monthly, slightly rose, but then just collapsed. So it still made a lower swing high. So we're still on a downtrend so far. Okay, so that's just my rationale looking at it. Let's go down to the daily. Notice I'm showing you only higher time frames because it's just easier, just less noise, you know what I mean? So let's see what's going on. So yeah, I mean, look at that, it's been falling. Gold is manipulated a lot more than I mean, currencies are manipulated, but gold is heavily manipulated. So you have to be real careful trading and make sure your account can handle the trades that you're putting on here for gold. Always set your stop loss, of course. So pretty much came up to our weekly resistance. It broke above, closed above on the daily, but the next candle was a doji. So the price has been getting rejected off this. Made a little semi double top right here. Come back, retracement, retest the zone. The weekly resistance right here. Nice doji on the daily right here. That would have given you a clue that price is getting rejected off this weekly. So you should be looking for shorts soon. All you have to do is wait 2 days. When this daily candle closed, wait for a small pullback, sell. So yeah, as you notice, it also came down to this little neckline right here. Yeah. So once it broke this neckline, as you notice, it came back and retested it, and then dropped. So still bearish so far. We have a nice monthly support zone coming up here. So let's see how price reacts when it gets to this area. It's probably just going to consolidate pull back to the high, pull back one more time, and then just possibly collapse. So we only have a few days left on the month, so it's going to be interesting to see how that monthly candle closes. So let me go back. Let me go to 4-hour chart actually. Let's see these zones and see if we can how good they actually were. Let's see right here. So look, right here, price broke above the weekly resistance, came back below. This was the first close below. What's one of the trading basics that you learn from FIP is whenever a support or resistance gets broken, most of the time it's going to get retested before it continues. So what happened? Broke below the weekly. It was a resistance. It was a support. So broke below. Look what we get. Test. Get a nice test. This is a 4-hour chart, so this took a couple days. Get a nice test right here. False break above. Next candle, close below. Still looking for shorts right there. You could have taken a short right there. Your stop loss would have been pretty big because that candle was pretty large, and it would have gone probably above this weekly resistance right here, right at the weekly resistance right there. So get a nice test, pull back, close below. Now looking for shorting opportunities. Could have shorted right here. This nice little semi-reversal pattern right here. Short right there. Boom, drop. But just gotta be real careful trading gold because it just moves so quick. See right now it's looking like it's about to break the low. So we'll see. We'll see how it does. But yeah, bearish so far. Higher time frame say bearish. So I'm only going with what I see, guys. I'm not making stuff up. I'm just going off what I see. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the monthly candle to close. Most likely it's gonna close a big bearish candle, so bias is down. So yeah, let me go on to the next currency pair, which is probably gonna be Canadian. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.